Today I am going to show you that how you can log in to your single permit application through email. Okay, so this is the page and alternate login. So I am going to paste my passport number, and here is my birthday, date of birth. Okay, so here you can see that this is the page after login. So and the paid amount is 280.50 euro. So this is how you can log in to your single permit application and know your summary, and also you can check your application status. So it shows that the process and my approval in principle letter is now available. So I hope you can log in to your application Identity Malta application site. So this is all. I hope this video will help you. If this video helped you a little bit, then a subscribe to my channel will be awesome. So see you in the next video.